Well, I decided to go for a drive today, so I headed out towards Rock Island State Park, and when I got here I found this pretty cool pull-off, so I thought I'd stop for a minute and go check this out. It looks pretty cool from the road, but see here, no diving or jumping. Okay. Yeah, this seems to be a pretty cool place down here. Real nice view. After stopping at that last pull-off, I hopped back in my truck and drove down to the Twin Falls and Downstream trail. It's a 1.6 mile loop, and I do plan on hiking all of it today. It should be relatively easy, and if I'm lucky, I'm hoping to catch some fish too while I'm here. The parking lot when I got here is fairly crowded. I took the last spot at the very end, but I've not seen that many people yet actually, so I find that quite odd. I guess they're downstream and swimming someplace. After enjoying the views from the waterfalls, I'm now making my way down the trail here. Still haven't seen that many people, and to be honest, don't know exactly what to expect from this trail. But if I don't see much, I'll just head back and fish the waterfall some. Should be fun any way you go about it. For the few minutes I've been walking here, the trail's been pretty flat, pretty easy. Up here, these steps are about the only elevation gain I've seen so far, and they're not that bad at all. Well, I was really hoping the trail would follow the creek a bit more than it has. The creek's been pretty close, but not close enough to fish, really. You'd have to bushwhack your way down to get to it, which I'm not feeling that today, so I guess I'll just keep on hiking for now. After completing the small loop section on this trail, I'm now heading back to the falls. Just gotta make my way down these steps and keep on going the way I'm going. Shouldn't take too long. As you can see, I've made it out of the woods and found what I think to be a pretty good fishing spot. If the fishing's not any good, at least I have quite the picturesque view to look at while I fish. Well, I fished for about 45 minutes down there. Had 2 strikes. One, I did get the hook in. It was a fairly decent smallmouth. I fought it for a good few minutes, but sadly I have a 4'6" fishing rod with me, and it wasn't quite stout enough to keep it out of the rocks, so I ended up getting snagged and losing it. It was still a fun fight nonetheless, and yeah, I definitely plan on coming back here sometime.